Look at that. Look at that. It looks delicious. This is one of my favorite meals in the world. One of my favorite dishes in the world to eat. One, because it's delicious. Two, because my wife made it. My wife makes this, and it's delicious. It's the way I like to have my eggs. It's good for breakfast, for lunch, or even dinner. Later today, I'm going to have a midday snack. I'm going to make a midday snack. I'm going to make a mango frozen. It's my wife in the kitchen. I'm going to make a mango frozen yogurt dessert. It's not really dessert, but a mango frozen yogurt. I went to the supermarket earlier and I got several things. I got things to use to make the beef stew dish that I plan on making later this evening, and I got a few items to make this mango frozen yogurt. However, I forgot the Greek yogurt. It's fine because my wife had called and asked for me to pick up paper towels, but I was already in line, and I said that I'd go back to get the paper towels. So when I go back to get the paper towels, I will get the Greek yogurt so that I can make this mango frozen yogurt. Alright, so I'm back. I got the paper towels. Oh, my coffee. It's still cold. I was going to heat it up. I'll actually just make another cup. So I've got the paper towels and I've got the Greek yogurt. I like Chobani. This, by the way, is injera. This is Ethiopian bread. I guess it's like bread. It's a spongy, pancake-like food that's used to sop up the meat and vegetables on an Ethiopian dish. Anyway, so I bought that for my wife the other day, and they really give you a lot. It's from a restaurant that's a few blocks away. Alright, so I've already cut open 2 of the mangoes. I've got 1 more left. I'll get all of the good part of the mango out, and then after that I will put it into the blender along with the Greek yogurt and some lime juice, and then I'll blend it and then put it into the freezer. Alright, so I've got the 3 mangoes in this blender container. Now I'm going to chop up a lime, and I'm actually going to add honey and a little bit of cardamom, and then I will blend it. But I'm going to add the yogurt a little bit at a time to make sure that I get the consistency that I want. So I'm going to keep the 2 lime halves that I just squeezed into the blender container. I'm going to keep those because I'll use this later to make some lemon zest. So I'll put this off to the side for now. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes, so I'm going to check on this mango lime frozen yogurt. Alright, it's not ready yet, so I'm going to put it back in the freezer and check on it in a little while. I've been making the beef stew that I mentioned earlier, and it smells amazing, and I've tasted it. It tastes great too. It's just about ready, and let me give you a quick look at what it looks like. It smells so good, so good. Okay, so it's been a while. This has been in the refrigerator for several hours now. So it is definitely ready. I should have, when I made this, I should have made it with a thicker consistency, because it's been several hours. It's definitely frozen,